If you'd like to start the project quickly, you don't have to start from scratch. With over 200 free templates, you can choose any form or dashboard to start with or preview and get inspired. Here's how to use Formaloo's templates. From Formaloo's page, click on Templates. Here you see them displayed under different categories. You can also search for the keyword. Let's choose a customer satisfaction survey. Once you open the template, you get the description of it. Who is it for, how it should be used, what features it has, and so on. Then you have two buttons, Use Template and Preview. If you'd like to test it out and see what it looks like, click on Preview. You can the full survey and submit it. If you like it and would want to have it, click on Use Template. Then choose the workspace you'd like it to end up in. Here it is. Check out the link in the right corner of the video for detailed instructions on how to customize the dashboard. To find the form in your dashboard, click on the home icon. Then move the template wherever it's convenient for you. You can just drag and drop. You can also access templates from your dashboard. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, and see you next time.